and welcome back to Life on the French. This month, Life on the French. As you may or may not know, we're doing a challenge this month to combat YouTube's recommendation when you type in my channel to Life on the French. So we're trying to fill the Life on the French page with Life on the French videos. So if you want to learn more about that, you can click the link above, which explains our challenge and how we are combating the algorithm. But for now, oy vey, I'm stuck in Paris.
Oy vey is German.
Oy shoo.
Oh la la.
Oh la la. I'm stuck in Paris, obviously, and Paris, and I don't speak any French. But thankfully, I brought my trusty French teacher and mother, Heidi. So she's gonna teach us some important phrases to know when you go to France.
Probably you want to say excusez-moi.
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 Okay. Excusez-moi.
Yeah, excusez-moi. Or pardonnez-moi.
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 Yes, because then you are excusing yourself, like if you're trying to get through a crowd.
That's excusez-moi?
Or excusez-moi, yeah. Or if you're like trying to get somebody's attention, like a store owner, then anyway, so yeah, that's like an attention grabber as well. But most importantly, in France, it's been my experience that even if you use a little bit of French and you're trying, everybody's so much nicer and more gentle with you. So if you can start off with excusez-moi or pardonnez-moi, then at least they'll like appreciate like your attempt. They're not rude people, by the way. That is false. Combien ça coûte?
Combien ça coûte?
Combien ça coûte?
Combien ça coûte?
Yes. How much does it cost?
Well, that's important.
That is important. But I must counter that with you must know your numbers before you go, because they'll answer you with French numbers. So if you ask the question in French, rest assured they're going to give you French numbers, which are not normal, because the word for 80 is 4 times 20. And the word for 96 is 4 times 20 plus 16. Yes. So you also have to know math.
So proud of that language.
Yes.
They came up with that system for numbers.
I don't know how they came up with the system. But
I'm not saying that Americans do numbers well either. We've got the pound system.
Pounds, ounces, inches, yards.
Stupid. But at least it's not that.
Yep. 4 times 20 plus 16, 96.
And then they'll say a number and I'll be like, how do you speak?
Write it out.
Do you speak English?
Parlez-vous anglais?
Parlez-vous anglais?
Okay, that's good. That's good. All right. Où est la toilette?
Où est la toilette?
Où est la toilette?
Où est la toilette?
Toilette. Yes. Où est la toilette?
Où est la toilette?
There you go. Now you can
Ask where the bathroom is?
Yes. Very good. Cognates. Another phrase.
Where's food? Or I'm hungry.
Oh, j'ai faim.
J'ai faim.
J'ai faim.
J'ai faim. So dramatic. J'ai faim.
J'ai faim.
It's like famine.
It is. It's just like that. J'ai faim.
So dramatic.
Yeah. J'ai soif. J'ai soif.
You thirsty? J'ai soif.
Yes. J'ai soif.
J'ai soif. La faim.
J'ai faim.
J'ai faim.
J'ai soif.
J'ai soif.
J'ai faim.
J'ai faim.
J'ai soif.
How do you say I'm tired?
J'ai sommeil.
J'ai sommeil. La soif. J'ai faim. What? J'ai faim.
Oh, j'ai sommeil.
J'ai sommeil.
Or you can say je suis fatigué.
Je suis fatigué.
Yes, like fatigued.
Yeah.
Je suis fatigué.
Je suis fatigué.
Où est le café?
Où est le café?
Où est le café?
Where's the cafe?
Oh.
Où est le café?
And they'll probably point and say là-bas.
Over there? Là-bas.
Là-bas.
Okay, so should I try it to get together?
Sure.
Pardon. No. Hold on. Excusez-moi.
Oui.
Je m'appelle Francesca.
Mhm.
Je suis la coute.
What? How about if you give me, excuse me, I'm hungry, where's the restaurant?
Pardonnez-moi.
Pardonnez-moi?
Pardonnez-moi.
Uh-huh.
Je m'appelle Francesca. J'ai faim.
Mhm.
Où est le café?
Le café?
Où est le café?
Oh, là-bas. Now how are you going to say
Merci.
thank you? Oh, look at you. Merci.
Okay. All right, let's try another scenario. I want to be able to get the cost one down. So say it again. How much does it cost?
Combien ça coûte?
Combien ça coûte?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so...
Pardonnez-moi.
Oui.
Comment le ça coûte?
Combien ça coûte?
Combien ça coûte?
Mhm. 96.
Anglais?
No, je parle français. Or they might say un petit peu. Like a little bit.
Un petit peu.
Mhm. There you go. There's your conversation.
Okay, role play. Pardonnez-moi.
Oui, madame.
Comment... Comme la coûte?
Ça coûte 10 euros.
Anglais?
Un petit peu.
Cost?
10 euros.
Oh,
Merci.
merci beaucoup.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
So communication worked.
Okay.
We can give you like a 6.
So, what is? How do you say the flowers thing?
Les fleurs. Combien
Combien
coûtent les fleurs?
coûte? No, just how do you say how much does it cost?
Combien ça coûte?
Combien ça coûte?
Ça coûte.
Ça coûte.
Yes.
Combien
Yeah.
ça coûte?
Ça coûte.
Ça coûte. Combien
À
ça,
bleu.
combien ça coûte?
Yes.
Okay. All right. This time you can't speak any English. Also, though, how do you say, can you speak English? Pardonnez-moi.
Oui, madame. Take 17.
How do you say it?
Combien ça coûte?
Combien ça coûte? Pardonnez-moi.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour. Parlez sous collet.
Pardon?
Parlez-vous sur cout?
Vous voulez des fleurs?
Yeah, des fleurs.
Oui, c'est les fleurs. Ça coûte 10 francs.
Yeah.
Except we don't use francs anymore, but that's okay.
Euro? Anglais?
Je parle français.
Je parle anglais.
Oh, dommage.
Yeah.
Oh, tu parles allemand? Sprechen Sie Deutsch?
Ja, ich spreche Deutsch.
Ich auch.
Wie kostet?
Die Blumen kosten nur 10 Euro.
Oh, ich habe sie.
Danke.
Dankeschön. Pardonnez-moi.
Oui, madame.
Combien ça coûte?
10 euros.
Parlez-le anglais?
Non, je parle français.
Le café?
Le café est là-bas.
Merci, j'ai faim.
Oh là là, au revoir.
Au revoir.
She didn't even buy my flowers.
I don't know how to ask.
Do I know how to say, I'll take them? Or is that too much? Is that overload?
How do you say,
Je les prends.
je les prends?
Je les prends.
Ok, je les prends. Pardonnez-moi.
Oui, madame.
Combien la coûte?
Ça coûte 10 euros.
Parlez-vous anglais?
Un petit peu.
How much does it cost? For the fleur?
10 euros. Tu le prends?
Je le prends.
Oui.
J'ai faim. Café, le café?
Le café est là-bas.
Merci.
Je vous en prie. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Oh, she bought the flowers and went to the restaurant.
Well, you've heard it here first. Parlez-vous in anglais is the most important phrase that I will ever use in France. Anyhow, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of our videos, click subscribe and hit the bell button and the like button. But most importantly, I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!
Au revoir.